3 home remedies for the winter cold. Number 1, onion syrup. For this, you will need some black pepper, 2 onions, a quarter cup of sugar, and 1 clove of garlic. Now we'll have to clean and chop the onion. Did you know that onion and black pepper actually has anti-inflammatory properties? And this, I think, is responsible and helps with the thinning of the mucus. So as you can see, I have cut the onion and now I'm layering it in a container. Fun fact, onion is also high in vitamin C, and this helps support the immune function in the body. When this syrup is made, it can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge, and you can have 2 teaspoons in the morning and afternoon. It does work. It helps my family definitely with the thick mucus that develops sometimes when they have a cold. So to this, I'm adding my garlic cloves, and then I'm going to go in with black pepper. I'm then going to be adding the sugar, and then I'm going to be giving this a good shake. I'm then going to let this stand for about an hour, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to be checking on this about 20 minutes later. "20 minutes have passed and I'm checking on this, and as you can see, it's now developing a lovely thick syrup. The sugar, you can use sugar or you can use honey, but if you're diabetic, I don't think this is going to work for you. Next up, we have the turmeric and ginger milk. For this, you will need black pepper, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric, and grated ginger. To a small pot, you're going to add the milk, you're going to add the turmeric, and you're going to add the ginger and black pepper. Black pepper does help and aids in the absorption of the turmeric in the body. Going to give everything a good stir, and then we're going to put that on the stove and let that heat up a bit. It must start to bubble a little bit. So I've got this on a low temperature doing its magic. And now what we've got is called liquid gold. So we're going to run that through the strainer, and you're going to be left with this beautiful milk that's really, really good. It heats up the body. Ginger heats up the body. It increases the temperature in the body. And to that you're going to be adding, and to that I'm going to be adding some honey. So this is a really, really good milk. It helps, it's comforting, and it is delicious. The Vicks on the feet sometimes helps me and my family when we are running a high temperature. The vapor, the menthol vapor from the Vicks actually has a cooling effect on the feet. So what we do, we rub it on our feet and we put a thick sock on. So I trust my 3 winter warming tips can help you get through the winter cold this winter. If anything was new and you learned something new from our video, let me know in the comments. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now.